how to use auto development in eFootball Mobile. In order to use auto development of a player's progression on eFootball Mobile, once we launch eFootball, just go to your teams list and go to your players right here. So auto development is it is going to automatically allocate the progression points that you have. But before that, you need to do level training. To do level training, you need to have EXP tokens, which you can get by playing various events in the game. Once you have enough EXP tokens, let's say for example, and I want to train a certain player, for example, I'll simply select that particular player and I'll go to this option here that says level training. So select level training right here. So what I will do is from the bottom you can see auto select. I will select auto select and I'll tap on proceed and proceed again. So I have given it the necessary progression points, and you can see the progression has also been automatically already allocated. So if I select that player again, and this time if I go to player progression, you can see it will automatically allocate the required points required. But I can select action and I can select reset and I can select action and I can select recommended again to give it the recommended progression points. And this way I can use auto development in eFootball Mobile. Hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.